Good morning, dear students. How are you? Are you ready? Let's begin our lesson. Today we'll take new grammar, present simple. The aim of the lesson, this is to consolidate your knowledge about the present simple, to form present simple questions and short answers using the auxiliary verb do, does. Now please, present simple. The present simple expresses a fact or an action which is always true or true for a long time. The action can be a habit, a hobby, a daily event, or something that often happens. When do we use present simple? We use the present simple to talk about something which happens repeatedly. Also, we use the present simple to describe a series of actions in the present following each other. How do we form the present simple? We use the infinitive of the verb in the third person singular. He, she, it. We put s to the end of the infinitive. For example, I usually wake at home. Third person singular. He usually wakes at home. In plural, we usually wake at home. They usually wake at home. Now please, okay, if it is clear, let's write some sentences in positive. Your task is to choose the right variant of present simple. The next. Now please, open the brackets and put the verbs in the correct tense. First, Colin play football every Tuesday. Second, the film starts at 8 p.m. Third, Bob wake in a restaurant. The next, I usually go to school. Sometimes she go by car. I often go in the park. The game usually starts at 4 p.m. Okay, please. Have you finished? Now, the next task. How to form negative sentences. We use the auxiliary verb do, does. To make negative forms in the present simple, we use auxiliary verb don't and doesn't plus the infinitive. For example, they do not live near here. In singular third person, she does not live near here. In plural, they don't live near here. And singular, she doesn't live near here. Also, we should do the next task. Your task is to compose negative sentence. Of course, you with don't or doesn't. First sentence, I like football. Your task is to compose a negative sentence. For example, I don't like football. Clear? The next, my father wants to clean the dishes. My sister go to school yet. You remember my address. They practice any sport. It rain in summer. Okay, thank you. Now the next it is interrogative sentences. How to form the interrogative sentences? We need the auxiliary verb do, does, and the infinitive of the verb. To make negative forms in the present simple, we use also do and does plus subject plus the infinitive form without two of the verb. For example, do you smoke? Yes, I do, or no, I don't. Does Jim smoke? No, he does, or no, yes, yes, he does, or no, he doesn't. The next. Also, we must do the next task. Now, please, make up your questions with question words, when, where, and why, with the verbs get up, have breakfast, study, swim. I'll give you 2 minutes, please. Have you done? Okay, thank you. Now, students, our next task is listening. Now listen to the text about Ali very attentively and answer my questions. Of course, here present simple is used. Is it clear? Okay, listen to it very attentively. Ali is a scientist. She comes from Cambridge in England, but now she lives in Switzerland. She works 3 days a week at the Institute of Molecular Biology in Geneva. She speaks 3 languages: English, French, and German. She is married and has a daughter. She likes skiing in winter and going for walks in summer. Have you understood the text? Okay. Then answer my questions. First, where does Ali come from? Where does Ali come from? The second, where does she work? Where does she work? The third, how many languages does she speak? How many languages does she speak? The next, is she married? Is she married? Does she like skiing or skating in winter? Does she like skiing or skating in winter? Okay, good, thank you. Now please, our next task. Let's review the main points of the lesson. Have you understood the theme? Do you have any questions? Please write down your questions. Okay. Your next task is to complete the sentences with the correct form of the verbs and translate it. Please do it in written form. Complete the sentences with the correct form of the verbs. For example, the first sentence, my sister, in brackets, to get up at 8 o'clock every day. Now please do it. I'll give you 5 minutes. Okay. Have you done it? Oh, it's time to give you your marks. Today you all were very active. I'm satisfied with your answer. Now, your home task is, I'll give you test on present tense, on present simple. Here, 25 questions. Please be very attentively. Now please, have you got any questions? The lesson is over. Goodbye. You are free.